When's the last time you had a mule, Stephanie?
It's been a while, David.
This is an apple cranberry mule. If you don't have the fancy mule glasses, it's okay.
Get some. No, I'm just kidding. They're actually really cheap. I thought they'd be expensive, but they're actually not expensive at all.
A small amount of green apple vodka, 2 ounces.
I like it. I love green apple vodka. So it's a mule. I love mules because they're super light.
They are light. I hate them because ginger beer, but
It's ginger beer. What is not to love?
the ginger beer part of it.
Yeah, I figured you would have got over it by now, just like I got over my distaste for Kahlua and Bailey's.
2 ounces of cranberry juice. Ginger beer. We're topping each one.
I love ginger beer.
Yeah.
I can drink ginger beer just by itself.
Ooh.
But I like ginger ale, and I like all things ginger. So
Here's your mule.
I can't show it to you. Well, I guess I can. Can you guys?
There's liquor.
Oh my God, that smells good. All I smell is the apple and the ginger and the delicious. Hey, cheers. Oh.
All right.
Oh, man.
I don't like ginger beer, but good
This
grief.
is so good. It's like, okay, so you have the cranberry in there, which kind of cuts the apple, so it makes it tart apple. And then you kind of add that ginger over it, and it gives it the fizzy and the sparkle and the, holy crap, is this good?
I know where this is gonna go. Yeah.
Thank you.
Your last apple drink of the year. What do you think?
It's not going to be my last.
Oh,